Look at this disgusting mess, you guys.
HobbyMom, HobbyFamilyTV.
Welcome to Hobby Squishy Day. This is where we cut everything up. There's surprises hiding inside Freddy Bear, Pig, Piece of Poo, and Chica. Plus, we're gonna cut open all these cool candies and surprises.
Yeah!
Hobby Science Lab.
Let's get to cutting. Who should be our first victim?
I will.
How about the world? Have you ever want to know what's inside the earth? Let's find out. The core of the earth. Let's start with the ocean.
Yes, the ocean is pretty big.
It's like opening up an orange. Look, guys, there's lava. It's squishy foam.
I got the whole world in my hands.
Hobby Frog is going to find out what's inside the pig face.
Oink.
Oink.
Ooh.
It's a My Little Pony Fashions.
It's so squishy.
Who did we get? If you know the name of this little unicorn, make sure to leave us your comments. Where should we start with the chop, chop, chop?
How about the tail?
The tail? Okay, the tail. Here comes the tail.
But it's watery.
Is it watery? Are you sure? Oh, nope, not watery. Just plasticky so far. What should we do next?
Hair.
The hair? Okay,
Yeah.
we'll do the hair. Ready?
I guess put some people.
Oh, look what's in there.
Is it water?
I don't really see water. She just had a buzz cut. How about her ear? Should we do her ear next? Ooh, they kind of look like elf ears now. Look at that.
Maybe we should do the nose.
Nose? Okay. She's being too nosy anyway, right? Whoa, there is water! Ah! Oh my goodness. Can you guys see the water?
Yeah.
Do you see that water in there?
Yeah.
Oh boy. You see it? I have an idea. How if we pour the water into the ocean?
Ew.
Give a thumbs up if you guys can see the water droplets. Wow. Looks like she sneezed her nose off. Achoo! Excuse me?
I got egg.
You want to cut the little chick out of the egg?
Yeah.
I think that would be awesome. Look, if you turn it around and then you go like this, it's like he's talking. Cheep, cheep, cheep.
Cut that.
I'll cut mine up. Oh, gone.
Cut that hair.
He needs the big scissors. Oh man, look at that. Ooh. Oh no!
Pac-Man.
Ta-da! Yeah, it does look like Pac-Man. Chomp, 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 chomp,
Hey,
chomp.
it looks like a C.
Today's video is brought to you by the letter C. For chomp, I'm gonna chomp Hobby Bear's head. Chomp.
It's the number 3.
It is the number 3. Hobby Frog's turn. Not that frog. Ribbit.
I'm Hobby Frog and I'm gonna cut up my brother.
Your fellow frog. Here, I can help you.
Oh, what?
Mommy scissors here to help. Ready?
Mommy. Yeah, water on it. Ooh.
Oh, now it makes noise.
Oh, water.
Oh, he's like, don't cut me. Should we save him? Should he be the one we save? Yeah? Aw, we'll save him. Yay, he's gonna live.
Let's see what's inside Freddy's brain. 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, what's in his brain?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Ice cream cone foam. Ice cream foam cone. E.T. phone home. See how I did that there? It's a squishy ice cream cone.
Can we chop it up?
Let's chop it up. Let's get rid of this keychain.
Okay. Yeah. Ooh. It got one
pieces.
Super tiny piece. Hello. Let's get off this. Ooh. I can Shaka.
Hobby Frog did pretty good, but I'm here to help. So let's get this cone off. Cut off the tip, the keychain, right? Look at that. It's just foam. Looks like memory foam. Let's cut it in half.
Split it.
It has been split. Look at that. Leaves a thumbprint. Isn't that cool?
Thumbprint? Wait,
Yeah.
really?
Just like memory foam.
Ooh.
Let's see what's inside of this Shopkins.
It's so squishy. Squishy, squishy, squishy. Squishy, squishy, squishy. Who cut that?
Here we go. Look, she's doing gymnastics. Ta-da! Oh, that's cool. Look at this. I think I cut like in the perfect spot. Look at that. I didn't even cut the beads. It's a bag of beads.
Ooh, it's a bag, oh.
Isn't that cool?
Yay!
I didn't know they had them in a little baggie like that. Let's take out the rest of her body. Here we
Rest
go.
of her cotton.
Yeah, you want to take it all apart? In the meantime, Hobby Bear is going to open up Chica's face.
What?
Ooh, what is this? It's a DC Comics Ooshie.
Cut it up.
It's a squishy Ooshie. And here's some of the characters that you can collect.
I cut him.
You want to cut them? All right, you tell me who we got.
We're doing surgery on her.
Oh, poor little Shopkins squishy. He looks so cozy. Look at him. I want to be sleeping on a cloud. Which one did you get?
Got Batman.
You got Batman? No way.
I got that one.
Oh, good job. Let me see him. Can I see how ooshy and squishy he is?
I see.
Oh, he's pretty ooshy. He's pretty squishy. It looks like he's doing sit-ups. Huh, huh. One and a 2 and a 1 and a 2. Oh my, everyone loves Batman. Here's Batman, and he is common. Ooh, what's inside Batman? We got a little glimpse. What color do you think it is? What color?
Black.
Black? He's right! It's black inside! Look at that! And then they just paint the rest of the body.
See these two little foams?
Mm-hmm.
You stick these together and roll them, then boom, they stick together.
Ooh, 2 became 1. Very cool. It's like they got married. And then they had little teeny tiny cotton babies.
You get mommy, mommy.
Goo goo. Baby. We're gonna open up and cut up one of these delicious desserts. Ooh, which one should we do? Oh, look, they come with their own serving tray. That's so adorable. We have 3 little scoops of ice cream. We have strawberry shortcake. We have pancakes with whipped cream and a strawberry. We have an ice cream cone.
Aww, I like mommy.
We have a little popsicle, maybe like a 50-50 bar. And we have maybe part of a bundt cake, perhaps? So which one is going to be the lucky one to get sliced open? These are actually erasers. With this one, since it's so thick, I have to use a blade. Hopefully I can cut into it. What color do you think is on the inside?
Pink.
Pink? You think it's pink? Okay, Hobby Bear votes pink. Hobby Frog, what do you vote?
I vote.
What color?
Red.
You think it's red inside?
Yes. What? I think it's white here, and the popsicle stick. I think it's the same color.
Okay, let's see if you guys are right. Ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Ooh, look at the outer layer. Look at that.
Wow.
That's really neato.
Wow.
And I need to cut a little bit more. Do not try this at home. Always have a responsible adult when doing arts and crafts. Oh, look at that. The stick came right out. Neato.
I'm a popsicle. No, I'm not.
Better watch out. This little frog might want to lick you.
Not anymore.
You guys want to open up another dessert?
Yeah.
What should be the next one? That's what I was thinking too. Oh man, I got into something hard. What was that? That was so tough. Look at that little strawberry. Sliced it right in half. It's kind of cool to see how it's all put together, you know what I mean?
I didn't see it.
Oh, look at that. That's the little mint leaf. Isn't that cute?
Wow.
It comes all apart. Wow. Don't you wish it was that easy to put together dessert? That'd be amazing.
That'd be awesome.
Now I just want strawberry shortcake. Hobby Frog completely took her apart. She's totally flat. Look at that. Flat. She's no longer a poofy little donut anymore.
It's destroyed.
Hey, but she still has her little bag. Now we're going to open up these really weird teeth. Look at this. They all have little faces. Look. It's happy because it was getting its teeth brushed. Oh, what a good little toothy. But oh no. Oh no, if you don't brush your teeth, it makes your teeth sad. You used to eat a bunch of candy. And if you never brush your teeth and you eat candy every day, look at that. Ew. It's really, really sad. So let's get rid of that cavity, shall we? Yeah!
Get rid of the cavity.
Woo! Pop that cavity right out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're getting rid of the cavity. We're getting rid of the sad tooth.
Get rid of the cavity.
And the tooth
Get rid of the cavity.
is now happy! Yay! We fixed the cavity! It's a happy tooth! Hobby Pig joined us! Look at that! And he's gonna open up the superhero Spider-Man. Oh, look at that. He's going right for the booty.
Right for the booty. Whoa. Let's do the booty.
What's inside of his booty?
It's pooping. Okay, guys, watch this.
Oh my! He's having an accident right now. He missed the toilet. Spider-Man!
Where's the toilet? I can't find the toilet.
Where'd the toilet go?
Ew.
This is what happens when you eat too much candy. While Hobby Pig is working on Spider-Man, Hobby Frog is gonna open up some chewy wax soda pops.
Ooh. Yummy, yummy. Open up. Yay. Ooh. I have the yellow one. I'm big. You know why? One. Because I like lemon, and this is lemon. I water.
So you just bite off the cap, and then you drink what's inside, or you chew it. Is it good?
It's delicious.
What's it taste like?
Tastes like a bit of cherry.
Well, let's cut her up and see what's inside. Oh! Did you guys see that?
Yeah.
Got all over me. Oh man.
I'm gonna try the lemon one out.
Whoa.
I'll try the lemon one. I shake it.
Yeah, you can drink it. And then you chew the wax. And then it gets kind of old and then you just spit it out. See? I just go buy it. It kind of tastes weird.
Scared.
You scared to try it? Just bite right into it. You're supposed to take bites of it. Like you bite it, chew it. Because you're supposed to chew the wax.
Not that bad. I'm taking another one.
Not bad, huh? They seem to really like these ones. Just gonna drink it. Bottoms up. Bite. Come on. There you go.
They're pretty good.
Do you like it?
I'm having another one. No.
You give it a thumbs up?
I give it a thumbs up. I have another one.
How about we turn our ocean blue? There we go. Now our water has a nice blue look to it inside. Do you think our ice cream cone can clean up the mess? Let's see if it works. Oh, a little bit. Look, it soaked it up. Ooh, that's kind of neato. Weird. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, look, the little chick's gonna clean up the rest of the mess.
That's a chick?
It's supposed to be a little chick in the egg. And it hatched. And now we're going to open up a slice of cake. A keychain cake. Ooh, look how intricate that is. Very fancy. And it's about to come apart.
Is it squishy?
Yeah, it's kind of squishy. And it has like little hard candies on top. Super hard. I don't know if I could cut those. I could barely cut the foam. Oh, look at that. The frosting came right off. Have you ever cut your piece of pie with scissors?
Well, my belly has cut all of my hands and legs off because I'm sick and he doesn't want me to swing because it makes me puke. But I don't care. Wait, I have one more foot. Great. Now I'm going to swing.
Aww.
That's what you get, dude.
Before we open up the poop surprise, we're going to open up our Pop Rocks and we're going to pour it in some water and see how it looks when it pops.
Whoa. Whoa, I want it.
Hobby Frog gets red. Hobby Bear gets blue raz. Hobby Pig gets green apple, but instead, I'm going to pour it in this water and see what happens. You guys hear it? If you guys can hear it, type Pop Rock in the comments. Hobby Frog's already on it. What flavor did you get?
Strawberry. He's eating his own foot.
He's eating his own foot? Spider-Man.
What?
They'll call you Edward Scissorhead.
Why? Why am I called Edward Scissorhead? Handman.
Can you guys hear me popping it?
I'm Handman. Aw.
It's pretty crazy.
Now I'm Footman. Aw. Now I'm Frogman.
Green apple is good. Hear that sound? It's coming from my mouth.
It can be a Oh, that's so cool.
Ooh, we can see the Pop Rocks. And then there's Hobby Frog. Oh my god, it's like a strawberry monster. Hobby Bear's gonna open up the poop surprise! Yay! Finally! Oh, look at that. It was Fart Putty. We get to see what Fart Putty looks like when we cut it. The question for today's show is, what jacket is Hobby Bear wearing? Make sure to leave us your comments because we want to know if you were paying attention. Ooh, slimy, slimy slime. You're ready to get cut. It's like legs dancing. Or a two-legged octopus.
Yeah, I was just about to say, two-legged octopus.
Wow, wow, wow.
It's clever.
It does look like Squidward, huh? Spider-Man working out. Hey, he's got spidey legs.
Arms.
I wonder if the slime can pick up all this stuff over here. What can it pick up? Look at that. Ew, a lot of stuff stuck to it. All those beads, the cotton. Ugh.
Ew.
I wonder what would happen if we put some Pop Rocks on it. Let's find out. Ooh, it pops. You hear it popping? Ooh, that's crazy. Okay, let's squish it in there. Real good. Ew. It's making it pop, and it's kind of oozing and bubbling. Ew, that's disgusting. I'm a big slime monster. Oh no, the whole world is being attacked by a slime monster. Oh, run for your lives.
I think it's going on right now.
With Pop Rocks.
Let me clip your toenails.
I think you just clipped his toes. Look at this disgusting mess, you guys.
It's amazing, right?
Make sure to leave us your comments of what you want us to cut open next.
Oh, snap.
We want to know.
Snap.
Thanks for watching, Toodaloo.
Like my new underwear.
That's awesome. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Yeah!
Click on one of these videos to see more Hobby Family fun.